E-600. Lightweight, small, and durable, the E-600 is the perfect mix of practical and efficient for the professional cleaner. With a single 3-stage vac motor that produces 125 inches of water lift, 150 psi diaphragm on-demand pump, and the optional 200-degree internal heater, the E-600 is a versatile extractor for carpet, upholstery, or auto detailing. Many unique features of the E-600 come in this compact package, like a 6-gallon freshwater and recovery tank, a 1.5-inch dump valve for ease of emptying, a brass quick connect for your solution hose, 2.5-inch swivel front caster, and 8-inch large non-marking rear wheels for ease of maneuverability, large and easy to reach durable rocker switches, a unique fold-down handle for ease of storage. Start using the machine, plug into a 15-amp circuit. If the machine comes with the heater made option, each cord will need a separate 15-amp circuit to avoid tripping circuit breakers. To begin, fill the fresh water tank with fresh, clean, warm to hot water, then add a detergent or rinsing agent to the clean water. Next, begin by priming the solution pump by connecting the open-ended brass quick connect to the female end of the solution hose. Connect the male end of the solution hose to the quick connect on the machine. Place the end of the solution hose with the priming brass quick connect up to the vac hose port and turn on the vac motor and solution pump switch to the on position. Hold the solution hose up to the vac hose port until a steady stream of water starts to come out of the hose. This is an indication that the solution pump is now primed and ready for use. Once a steady stream of water is coming from the solution hose, turn off both solution pump and vac motor switch and remove the solution hose from the vac hose port. Disconnect the primer brass quick connect from the solution hose. Connect the female end of the solution hose to a wand, auto detailing tool, or upholstery tool. Connect the vac hose to the vac hose port located on the front of the machine. Connect the other end of the vac hose to a wand, auto detailing tool, or upholstery tool. If the machine is equipped with the heater made option, switch the toggle heat switch to the on position. Switch the vac and solution pump buttons to the on position. You are now ready to clean. Once the machine is full or the cleaning is finished, if the machine comes with the heater made option, switch the toggle switch to the off position. Switch both vac motor and solution pump switch to the off position. To empty the machine, connect the 45-degree elbow to the dump valve located on the back of the machine. Place a pail under the dump valve and pull up. Once the recovery tank is empty, lift up the recovery tank lid handle, twist the handle to 90 degrees and pull up. Pour in fresh clean water into the recovery tank to rinse it out, making sure to have a pail underneath the dump valve to catch the exiting water. Once the recovery tank is clean, simply close the dump valve and replace the lid back onto the machine. The Esteam E-600.